Hey there! Welcome back to another episode where, as always, I'll show you how to organize your home and yourself. Today, we're tackling a topic as important as can be. A laundry. I know it's a chore for some, but believe me, it doesn't have to be. We'll show you step by step how to tackle laundry so that it's clean, smells fresh, and looks like new. Whether you're a college student or a seasoned homemaker, there's something here for everyone. Remember, by taking care of your clothes, you're taking care of yourself. Clean clothes aren't just about looking good, they're about hygiene and comfort. Let's get started. We begin by sorting our clothes. We're not just throwing everything into the drum. Whites, lights, darks, and delicates. We wash whites separately so they don't lose their brightness. Dark clothes can bleed color, so we wash them together. Delicates require special treatment. It's best to wash them in a special laundry bag. Choosing the right detergent is important. The shelves are overflowing with powders, liquids, and pods. For white clothes, the best choice is a detergent with optical brighteners. For colored clothes, we choose color detergent, liquids, or pods. For delicate fabrics, we use special detergents. And don't forget about fabric softener for a fresh scent and softness. Now that we've chosen the right detergent, let's get to know the detergent compartments in our washing machine. They are usually divided into three main sections, marked with symbols or numbers. The first compartment, usually marked I or the number 1, is for pre-wash. We use it when we choose a program with a pre-wash, ideal for heavily soiled clothes. Next, we have the second compartment, marked 2 or the number 2. This is the main compartment for detergent for the main wash. It's for your standard wash cycle. And finally, the fabric softener compartment, usually marked with a flower or a star. This is where we pour in fabric softener or other laundry additives. Detergents are in, now we set the washing temperature. We wash most clothes at 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, around 90, 100 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature removes dirt and doesn't damage clothes. Higher temperatures are for towels, bedding, and heavily soiled clothes. Remember that wool can shrink in hot water, so always check the labels. Time to load the washing machine, but be careful, don't cram clothes in. They need space to wash properly. Too many clothes, the detergent won't dissolve. We distribute the clothes evenly, so the washing machine doesn't get overloaded and everything gets washed nicely. Next step, choosing the right cycle. Modern washing machines have a ton of cycles. We can wash cotton, synthetics, delicates, as well as quick and eco-friendly cycles. Which program to choose? It depends on what we're washing and how dirty it is. If you don't know which cycle to choose, you can always refer to the instruction manual. Drying. Flat or on a hanger. After washing, it's time for drying. Most clothes can be dried in a tumble dryer, but delicate items like wool or silk are better dried flat so they don't stretch out. The tumble dryer is great because the clothes are soft, but they can get staticky. You can use special dryer sheets or throw in a few tennis balls. Ironing and storing, the finishing touches. After drying, sometimes you still need to grab the iron. Cotton and linen look better after ironing. An iron with a steam function will make our lives easier. Finally, we fold the clothes and put them away. Done. And that's it. I hope this short guide has been helpful. Remember, taking care of your clothes is taking care of yourself. Now it's time for a well-deserved relaxation. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips. Let me know in the comments about your tips or proven laundry tricks. But before you go, I have 5 more tips and tricks to make your laundry even more efficient. Tip 1. Use a mesh laundry bag for delicates to prevent damage. Tip 2. Add a cup of white vinegar during the rinse cycle to remove odors and soften fabrics. Tip 3. To save energy, wash your clothes in cold water whenever possible. Tip 4. Treat stains immediately before washing. Tip 5. Shake out your clothes before drying to reduce wrinkles and shorten drying time. Try these tips and see the difference for yourself. Happy Laundry Day! Hello everyone! You can find this video on our channel in 6 languages: English, Spanish, Polish, Hindi, Portuguese, and Russian. I invite you to watch the other versions and use them to learn foreign languages.